Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique and Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Eve, and instead of bringing in the new year with a toast of champagne, we're going to be bringing in the new year with some hot chocolate. So today I'm going to be making hot chocolate bombs, and I'm going to have my trusty assistant slash daughter,
me,
Paris. Okay, so it's kind of become like a little New Year's Eve tradition for us to make like little sweet treats.
last year we made like these little truffle things, and we had a Oreo one and a chocolate one.
Yeah, so we made like different type of truffles, and we also did like dipped apples. I think that was last year. So this year I figured we'll try the hot chocolate bombs, and I'm going to make 4 different flavors, or attempt to make 4 different flavors: strawberry unicorn, Oreo, salted caramel, and chocolate mint. So yeah, stay tuned. The ingredients that we're going to use to make these hot chocolate bombs, we have these
Silicone molds of
these
circles.
Yeah, these are silicone molds of half circles, and I just ordered these off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. We also have marshmallows. We have white marshmallows as well as colorful marshmallows.
I have white chocolate.
This is actually called almond bark. I tried to find the white chocolate melts in the Ghirardelli, but I couldn't find them, so I just had to get this. This is supposed to work as well.
We also have dark chocolate and caramel.
Yeah, we have the dark chocolate melts. We have some milk chocolate caramel candies.
We also have milk chocolate.
That's just regular hot chocolate powder.
Yeah,
and this is the sea salt caramel hot chocolate powder. I think I got this from Target. And then we have some strawberry powder,
and some syrup,
some caramel syrup, and some sprinkles.
Yeah.
So, and cupcake holders. So we have a lot of things here.
First, we worked with the almond bark bombs, and basically what I did was I put the almond bark in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time and stirred it until it melted. Then I separated it into thirds. Paris mixed the sprinkles into her portion. I mixed the Oreo cookies into my portion. She's going to make the strawberry unicorn bomb, and I'm going to make the cookies and cream bomb. First, we put 1 coat of the mixture in the silicone mold, and then we put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Then we did a second coat just to ensure that it was thick enough so that it would not crack when we took it out. Then I just put the molds into those little cupcake holders once it was set. I put about a tablespoon and a half of hot cocoa mix in each bomb. For the strawberry unicorn bombs, we did use the strawberry powder with the colorful marshmallows, and for the cookies and cream bomb, we used the regular milk chocolate cocoa powder with just regular marshmallows. And I did use some of the leftover white chocolate to fill in any holes that I had on the bombs. Okay, so after we did that, I just took a spoon and kind of sprinkled some of the leftover white chocolate onto the bombs. It was kind of messy, And then on top of the Oreo bombs, I just put some Oreo crumbs, and on top of the strawberry unicorn bombs, I just put some more sprinkles.
Okay, so my assistant quit. So next we're going to be doing the dark chocolate, and that's going to be the salted caramel and the mint chocolate.
Okay, so I did the same thing as far as melting the dark chocolate melts in the microwave for 30 seconds and stirring, and then I just put a coat in the silicone mold, put it in the freezer for 5 minutes, and then put a second coat on those molds, and yeah, that's what I ended up getting. And I forgot to mention this, but I just put a plate in the microwave for about a couple minutes just to get it warm, and I did use that plate to melt the edges of my bombs. So right now I'm making the peppermint chocolate bomb, and I just put the regular hot chocolate cocoa mix inside with the marshmallows and some peppermint. And now I'm making the salted caramel bomb, and I did get those packages of salted caramel hot cocoa from Target, and I'm also going to put one of those Ghirardelli caramel candies in the inside with marshmallows on top. Okay, and just to top it off, I just put some caramel on the salted caramel bombs, and then I put a little bit of chocolate so that I was able to put some sprinkles of peppermint on top of the peppermint chocolate bomb. Okay, and here's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good for our first time. I do want to say again, Happy New Year's to everyone. I know 2020 was a hard year for some. It was a good year for others. I know I had my ups and downs, but I did start this YouTube channel, and I'm so grateful for all of my subscribers. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers in 2021. I plan on coming back with even more videos, and hopefully I can get back to being consistent if I pass this test on January the 5th, so say a little prayer for me. But yeah, until next year, peace out.
Okay, let's all get our cocoa or whatever we have. Now let's do our taste test. Yours is Oreo, even though you put caramel on top of it.